There are 4 different ways to get into ITC Limited, one of the biggest FMCG of India. But most freshers do not know this, and because of that, you miss out on their direct hiring programs that have 5x higher selection rates. In today's video, I am breaking down all routes, and I will show you exactly how to land a full-time job at ITC even if you aren't from an IIT or IIM. I will cover the specific fresher roles for 2026, the hidden hiring programs, and the exact interview process. One quick tip, one of these programs closes its application in just a few days. So make sure you watch until the end so you do not miss that deadline. So let's get started. First, do not think that ITC is only for engineers. While they definitely hire tech freshers for their AI, cloud, and digital solutions, the majority of their hiring actually happens in non-tech domains. I'm talking about core roles in finance, HR, marketing, and supply chain. So whether you are a BCom, BBA, MBA, or a BTech graduate, there are tons of jobs for you at ITC. Apart from this, ITC also offers specialist roles. So if you are a research scientist, a lawyer, or a chef, then ITC has a job for you. They even hire for high-stake roles like commodity traders. So you can really find jobs for all the profiles here. So now let's look at the routes to get into ITC. The first route is something most students and graduates don't know about is there are multiple hiring programs to hire interns and freshers. There are 3 main hiring programs are ITC KITES, which is a summer internship program, ITC AUT or Assistant Under Training, which is a management trainee program, and the third program is ITC Interrobang, which is a case study competition. Now let's take a look at all these 3 in detail, starting with ITC KITES. This is their elite summer internship program for engineering and MBA students from top colleges in India. They hire for 2 roles, technical interns and management interns. The internships usually last for 2 months, and if you perform well, you can get a pre-placement offer for a full-time role at ITC. While ITC has not officially revealed the stipend for this internship program, but unofficial sources says that you can expect to earn 70,000 to 1 lakh in total. The second hiring program is ITC's Assistant Under Trainee or AUT. If you want a full-time role immediately, then this is for students of premium engineering and management institutes. In this program, you will go through training for 6 to 9 months and learn about ITC's business model and key divisions. After successfully completing the AUT program, you will join ITC as an assistant manager. While ITC has not disclosed the salary, students report a CTC of 20 LPA and above. The third hiring program, that is ITC Interrobang, is for B school students. This is basically a case study competition conducted across top management colleges in India. ITC campus ambassadors launch this competition in colleges, and to participate, you have to register in a team of 3 to 4 members and pick your specialization. Once you register, you get access to Connect, an online session where ITC's senior leaders will actually guide you on the right approach. After that, you submit your solution, and the top 2 teams from each college gets shortlisted. Then comes Interrobang, where ITC leaders will visit the campus and shortlisted team will present their ideas and get feedback. Finally, the top teams across India will compete in the grand finale. The winners will get cash prize and a chance to get an internship or a full-time job at ITC. On this channel, we regularly track these high-paying fresher programs every week. So if you want to be the first one to know when the 2026 applications open, so make sure you subscribe to this channel. Apart from these, ITC also runs Pankh, a career reboot program for women with 2+ years of experience and at least 6-month career gap. So how it works? You can start with a project-based assessment of 4 to 12 months. And if it's fit well, then you can turn it into a permanent role in sales, tech, or HR. Share this video with someone who needs this comeback opportunity. Now, if you are not from a tier 1 college and if ITC doesn't visit your college, then also you have 2 powerful options to apply at ITC jobs. First is ITC's career page. Yes, it is competitive, but you can stand out by focusing on 3 things: relevant internships, skills, and your proof of work. So to apply for jobs via ITC career website, follow these 3 steps. Step 1 is visit the website and select the job you want to apply for. Then click on I am interested. This will redirect you to an application form. And then fill out the application form by uploading your resume and adding details about your education qualification, work experience, and skills. I will cover the hiring process after you fill out the form in the next part of the video. So keep watching. For now, let's talk about another popular way to apply for jobs and internship at ITC, that is applying via Internshala. So register on internshala.com and create your resume using Internshala's free resume builder tool. Then select the job you want to apply for and click on apply now. It will redirect you to an application form. Fill it out and you are done. So you have applied for ITC jobs. Now what? Let's take a look at ITC's hiring process that typically follows 4 key steps. First is resume screening. Once you have submitted your application, ITC's hiring team will review your profile and screen your resume based on your education, projects, internships, and skills. And if you are shortlisted, you will move on to the next step, that is an online assessment. Depending upon the role, ITC will conduct an online assessment. This is usually an aptitude test. And the next step in the hiring process will be a group discussion. The format and topic for the group discussion depend on the role you are applying for. For example, if you have applied for a sales or a marketing role or even a supply chain management role, then the group discussion will be based on a business case study which will be provided by the company. And at the final step, there will be a personal interview with ITC's senior management panel. Depending on your profile, there may either be just one interview combining both technical and HR related questions or two separate interviews. In technical round, they will grill you on your core subjects and projects. If you're in marketing, you can expect questions on core concepts and advertising strategies. Whereas in HR rounds, this is all about cultural fitness. They want to see if you have the soft skills and the mindset to succeed at a legacy brand like ITC. And if selected, ITC will send you an offer letter via email. And if you're unsure how to reply to it, I have linked my guide on how to accept an offer letter in the description. That's your complete roadmap to landing a job or internship at ITC Limited. So which company should I cover next? Please tell me in the comments and I will start the research. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Until then, all the best.